essentially just the background, some of the theory and some of the strategies. I talk quite a bit about what are the types of intervention strategies that we use. It's a peer-mediated approach where we're having a lot of direct influence of the individual members, so not so much an emphasis on the group leader or therapist doing a lot of the work. And the same thing with the Lego stop motion animation process, which is like draws, especially for some of the older kids or higher functioning kids. They're really interested in this Lego movie business. And it turns out that you can do it with relatively simple materials and simple technology, something as easy as your phone. You can make Lego movies. The the other part of it would be some of more detail about the specific techniques, and then hopefully we'll have a direct demonstration with actual Lego materials and people going through the process, and then we'll kind of like freeze frame it here and there and talk about the process and what's going on and what it, how the nuts and bolts of actually running a group. Like, how do you start a group? How do you, what kinds of kids do you put in it? How do you initiate a group and introduce it to different, how do you introduce it to group members, introduce it to their parents? And then we'll have some demonstration of what you actually do in a group and how you coach the social interaction. The other things that we'll be talking about a little bit in this introductory thing, as well as in much more detail in the extended training for, the advanced training, we talk about measuring outcomes. I think we're just getting into more of the nitty gritty of what to look for in terms of how to intervene in groups, especially the peer-mediated strategies where you're prompting other kids to do what you would normally do yourself.
Yes.
Rather than directly telling a kid what to do or setting up a reinforcement plan for shaping the behavior, you have the other children do it.
So, and then we will also have some time to signing the books. Anyone who wants to have the books signed, I also put something on our schedule. So we will have a busy day with a lot of information.